on, baby. Let's move it. We're going to be late.
Yeah.
Look, this isn't exactly a day you're looking forward to, is it?
You got that right.
Well, it's your father's decision. He's going to marry Sheila, and there's really nothing we can do about it, sweetie.
Yep.
I'm getting the feeling that you were thinking about something else.
What do you mean?
Well, is there something else going on today? Something significant I should know about?
Something more significant than my dad making one of his bigger mistakes?
Yes, more significant than that.
What could it be?
You tell me.
Stop being the analyst. My lovely doctor wife. Come on, let's head out.